Ice cream. Marsha, ice cream. Ice cream. Is it nice? Is the ice cream nice? Where are we? We are at the bird park. Bird park. Where is the playground? There. Have you seen a lot of birds? Yes. You want some more ice cream? Is the ice cream nice? Did you manage to see the flamingos? The parrots? Did you see the eagle? Eagle! Marsha see eagle. You want some more ice cream? Ice cream? Ice cream. Here you go, ice cream. Yummy. Okay, ice cream. Last ice cream, come on. Okay, one more ice cream. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera, bye-bye. Ne? Marsha. Marsha, say bye-bye to the camera. Say I love you, mommy. Marsha. There, say I love you, mommy. Where's mommy? Mommy work. Mommy, where's mommy? Mommy's work.